today I'm going after carp on light tackle. I got my open face and my bait caster. Well, they're medium heavy, I guess they ain't light. But we're gonna go see if we can try and catch some. Well guys, that was a wrap on that one. So we got one fish, had another one break me off, and had, I guess it was a catfish come up when I was reeling in. Didn't catch it come off. Guess it didn't get hooked enough. But y'all be sure to hit that bell notification, subscribe, and yeah, be sure to hit that bell because we got a squirrel hunt video planned this weekend. It's gonna be a good. Y'all stay tuned, hit the bell like I said, subscribe, and always remember to like, subscribe, and slab them.